Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your TikTok application or your TikTok profile into dark theme or dark mode. As you can see on my end right here, my browser is currently on dark mode or gray theme. Now I'm going to teach you how to do that on your TikTok, but first, I'm going to ask you kindly to pull up your notepad on your PC, this one right here. If you can't find this application, just type in on your search bar on your lower left, type in notepad, and the first result, click enter. And this little application should pop up. You can write down your steps here as I go on. First step, take notes right here what to do accordingly by the steps, okay? So you won't get lost when you try it on your own. Now let's get started. And by the way, as you can see, I'm using Microsoft Edge. Please don't worry. This method is also applicable for Google Chrome or Safari, every browser as long as you have access, of course, to the internet, okay? So first things first, we need to open our TikTok account. Let me just type in TikTok right there. The first result should be this one. Okay? And there should be an autoplay right here. I'm just gonna pause it. Okay, it's muted. Now this should be my TikTok account. Sorry about that. I'm gonna pause that over there. Okay, this should be my TikTok account. This should be my landing page. And as you can see, it is very bright. It's very light. As a dark theme boy, as a dark theme man, I love my application on dark mode. So how to do it? Just hover your mouse on the top right on your profile picture. Hover it, and then you don't even have to go to your profile. Just hover the very part at the very bottom before logged out. It says dark mode. Just click on enable, and there you go. Your TikTok right now is on dark mode or dark theme. Okay? If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe. Please hit the like button, okay? Thank you for watching. Have a safe one, guys.